Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm tackling one of the hottest debates in the car world, electric cars versus petrol cars. So buckle up and let's dive in. First, let's talk electric. Electric cars have some undeniable perks. Lower running costs. For one, electricity is cheaper than petrol and maintenance also cheaper. Plus they're eco-friendly. Zero tailpipe emissions mean a smaller carbon footprint, and who doesn't love a quieter drive? Electric motors are almost silent, providing a smoother, more serene experience. Throw in some government incentives like tax breaks and rebates, and you've got a pretty sweet deal. Oh, and don't forget that instant torque for quick acceleration, but electric cars aren't perfect. They come with a higher upfront cost. Ouch! And range limitations can be a buzzkill for long trips, especially if charging stations are scarce. Speaking of which, charging times are longer than refueling a petrol car, and over time, batteries degrade, which impacts range. Plus, charging infrastructure is still growing, so availability can be spotty depending on where you are. Now, let's shift gears to petrol cars. These bad boys typically have a lower initial cost and greater range. Refueling is quick and easy, with fuel stations everywhere. The technology is proven, refined over decades, offering reliability and performance, especially at high speeds. But there are downsides: higher running costs since fuel is pricier and maintenance adds up. And pollution, petrol cars produce greenhouse gases and contribute to air pollution. They're noisier too, thanks to those combustion engines. And don't forget, they rely on non-renewable fossil fuels, subject to price fluctuations. More frequent maintenance is also a must, with regular oil changes and filter replacements. So, which is better? It really depends on your needs and priorities, whether you're drawn to the eco-friendly, cost-saving benefits of electric cars, or the tried-and-true reliability and performance of petrol cars. There's no one-size-fits-all answer here. Make the choice that fits your lifestyle best. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Catch you in the next video.